everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review my boxes I got in the month of March 2019, my beauty subscription boxes. I got the Boxyluxe and I got the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So let's get started, and thank goodness I saved the little cards because I've taken stuff out of the boxes and forget what goes where. Now, with the Ipsy, the first thing was the Huda Beauty, the Mauve Obsessions palette. I've used it once, but I love Huda Beauty eyeshadows. You guys know that. You know how much I love them. So, yeah, great. Doesn't disappoint. I am really glad I got this. This was one of my favorite things. And, so yeah, I will add it with my other ones. But yeah, really glad I got that. Well worth it. The Real Her I Am Adaptable Matte Liquid Lip. I like this. Is it my favorite? No. Did I need another really red lipstick? No. But I do have it. I will hang on to it for a while. And I don't know how long it'll stay in my collection. I'm just being truthful. I'm trying to be more selective with what I keep and with what I purchase. So I will hang on to this. My favorite red liquid lip is Kevyn Aucoin's Julia. I love that. I love that shade. This one's okay. It's a little orangey red for me, but yeah, it's okay. I'll just say okay. Next is the Dandelion Shy Beam highlighter from Benefit. It's not one of my favorite things. One, it's a matte highlighter, so it doesn't add any shine whatsoever, and it's a liquid. I'm not big on liquid highlighters either. I'm going to hang on to this and play with it a little more, but I don't think it's something that's going to last in my collection for very long. I hate to say that, I really do. Next was the Purlisse Moisturizer. I don't have that here. I am going to pass that on to a family member. And then last was the Farrah brushes. Apparently there's 5. I got 4 right here because I've been using them. You can tell. I love these brushes. This is my favorite thing in the Ipsy box. Next to the Huda Beauty palette, which I love the Huda palette, and it's one I wanted, but man, these brushes are nice. These Farrah brushes are really nice. Well, their value is $50. I believe it. They are really good. So, all in all, my Ipsy was a good month. The lipstick was okay, but that was just mainly the color. I didn't need another red. I didn't need a moisturizer, but it is really nice to get full-size moisturizers. If I needed one, that would have been fantastic. You know, I can't fault a box for having something I didn't actually need. So, it was a good box. Great name brand products, full sizes, great box. Now, on to our Boxyluxe. The train case I haven't done anything with. We're not even going to bother talking about that. The Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. This is what it looks like. I have been using this. I have this on my face right now. I used everything in there. Let's see. I'm going to hide my face so hopefully you can see. There we go. Let me tell you about this. The blush is my favorite thing in here. I have the blush on. The blush is called Sublime. My favorite thing in the palette. The contour is not a contour shade for me. I'm using it as a bronzer. It's not a good bronzer shade for me. It's a little light for me. It's called Silhouette. That's the color of it. It's a little light. Even in the deepest, darkest, well, this should be my palest time because I've been indoors sick. I've not hardly been outside at all. I have not been in the sun. And look at my coloring. And it's still too light. So yeah, I'm a little dark. I never get fair, and I never get light. That's not me. So yeah, that's not really my shade. And those two highlighters are just not bright enough. Here, look. You just can't see them. They're barely there highlighters. The finishing powder, which I dug my nail in today using it by accident. Finishing powder's okay. I like it all right. I didn't need it, but I like it all right. That brightener, I've heard everybody say, oh, it's for under your eyes. No. Oh my gosh. No, it is not for under your eyes. It is white, shiny. It would be your highlighter. You could maybe put that down and then put the highlighter on top, but I don't know why you'd want to double highlight. It's too white to be a highlighter for me. It's too shiny to be an under eye brightener. I used it today to highlight the inner corner of my eye. All in all, I am not that impressed with this Cover FX palette. For me, if you have a lighter skin tone, you probably can use this one better than I can. It was just a little too light for me. That's all. I'm just a little deeper coloring. So, yeah. Next, the Moda brushes. As you can tell, I have used these. I like these a lot. This is a great highlighter brush. It's light enough that you can put your highlighter on with it. So that's what I used it for. And this is a good, I used this for my blush one day. And then another day I used it with the finishing powder on my face. So really good. Like that. Next, the eyebrow cushion, the iconic eyebrow cushion. I've set that aside to give to my mother-in-law. It just was not my shades. I haven't even tried it. The Wonder Beauty Lift Off Peel Off Mask. I tried this. Didn't think I would like it. I am not a peel off mask kind of gal. I find them okay. Sometimes they can be a little hurt. They hurt a little sometimes. This one feels great. It was a light pink, a light frosty pink color, and it peeled off fantastic. And it peeled off evenly. I didn't have to go back in and, it's really nice. It's a nice mask. It's not my go-to thing by any means, but I will use it. My only, the only thing I have to say about it, mine is only just maybe half full. I had to really squeeze this tube to get product out. It's nowhere near full. But for me, that's okay. I can just use it up quicker. Because this isn't anything that I would purchase, go out and purchase. So, the Lily lashes, I didn't put them on. Guys, I haven't felt like it. I will tell you about them sometime when I do use them. I really want to use them. Today's not today, the day. I'm going through my radiation treatments, and you don't wear false lashes to go and have radiation treatments done. So, yeah, no. I haven't tried those out. The Confidence in the Cream, I did try. Let me tell you about this. I was very happy with it. I've got it in the box because I am going to put it back with my overstock, my stuff that I will get to when I use up what I'm using now. Man, I did use this. I used this one day. It is a nice, lightweight feeling cream, not heavy. And it has just the loveliest scent of lemon. If you like citrus, it's almost like a lemon sorbet, like lemon sherbet. Not too tangy though, more like a lemon creamsicle. It smells nice. It's not heavily fragranced. Don't think it's like, oh, it's going to smell like cleaner. No. It smells like a nice, heavenly lemon dessert. But I'm keeping it in the box. I will use this after I finish up the moisturizer I'm currently using. So I'm going to put it in the box, put it in a drawer, keep it in the dark, and it should be good. And should last me a while until I'm ready to use it. Next is the Becca Ultimate Lipstick. And this one I got was in taupe. And I didn't think I was going to like this shade. I have used it, and I do like it. It is a brown tone that I can actually wear and I actually like, which shocked me. It really did. It kind of shocked me. But, did I get it on me? It does have just the tiniest hint of a scent, but not really. This is a nice lipstick. I'm very pleased with that. Next, the Morphe eyeshadow palette. This is the 15 in Night Master. I did use this palette. I haven't used it heavily, but you can tell I have used it. Those ring lights are... The mattes are nice. The mattes are nice. I don't care for the shimmers. The shimmers did not go on with a dry brush. Hardly at all. I did have to use a damp brush on the shimmers that I used. I've got so many palettes now. I'm wearing a ColourPop eyeshadow palette that the shimmer goes on like a dream. Didn't even have to wet my brush. Morphe, if they want to stay in the game, they need to, in my opinion, up their quality of their shimmer shadows, because the days of wetting my brush to get a shimmer shadow on is over. So I found this palette just okay. By using this palette tells me I don't really want to purchase any other Morphe palettes. I don't. If that's how the shimmers are. The mattes are nice. The mattes are nice. I will keep this palette. I love the color range in it. I love the shades. But I'm not totally happy with its performance with the shimmers. So I did not use the nail polishes. I did a whole video, you guys know. In that video, I mentioned how my polishes peel when I use just regular polish. I'm not talking about my nail polish peeling. I'm talking about my actual nails would peel in sheets until they peeled off to like I had a broken nail. I mean, sheets of my actual nail peeled off. There's something in regular nail polishes. There's something about them that my nails cannot handle. My nails just sheet after, I mean, just peel off in layers like a piece of mica. That's how my nails would do. With the breathable nail polish, I don't have that problem. This is Morphe, no, Orly nail polish I have on. These I will, I'm thinking I will probably give, I'll probably give this one away, and I'm going to keep the glitter one, shiny one, and use it on my toenails. Toenails don't have that problem, just my fingernails. I know, it's crazy. And that's it. That's everything from the Boxyluxe box. Boxyluxe was great. Not too happy with the Morphe palette. There again, that's not BoxyCharm's fault. That's Morphe. That's more Morphe. But I loved everything I got in my BoxyCharm. I said, except the eyebrow cushion, that's because it just wasn't my shade. And the problems I had with the Morphe palette. But other than that, great. It's great getting a full-size Confidence in a Cream. That was perfect. And I was very pleased with my lipstick. So, and then I did have some problems with the Cover FX. The blush is the favorite thing I have that's in the Cover FX palette. I don't like the highlighters or that brightening powder. Those were not good. And my only problem with the contour shade is the actual shade, not the powder itself. But the highlighters I was not happy with. and that brightener, whatever that's supposed to do. So there we go. That was it. Everything I got in March. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.